How to complete album on Monopoly Go. Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can complete album on Monopoly Go. How do you get about this? The first thing to do is to log in, is to download the Monopoly Go application. Once you've downloaded it, go ahead and open it up. Once you've opened it, you'll be brought to the Monopoly Go's page where you'll be asked to continue playing your game. Now on this page, by the lower right corner of the screen, towards the right, of course, you'd see the album icon. All right, you see the album icon, just click on it. Once you click on it, you would see instruction popping up on my screen that to reach millionaire coin 15 to unlock. All right, so for you to be able to complete your album on Monopoly Go, you have to meet this requirement. Okay, that is to have this number of the coin. So once you've reached this requirement, you can go ahead and complete your album. But for me currently, I cannot complete my album or do anything on my album because I have not gotten this number of cash. So that's the first assignment. Complete and get the number of that cash, and then once you've gotten the number of that cash, just go ahead and click on the album icon, then read your screen instruction. From there you'll be taught on what to do. So this is how you can complete your album on Monopoly Go. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.